Hey YouTube friends and fans, welcome back. Today we're going to work on the shower. It's been hard water basically is the problem. We're going to replace the shower head. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. Let's get to it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's dripping off the bottom of the head. And that was where it used to sit when I turned it. That was the bottom from where the dripping was at, the white. So let's unhook it. Get the towel in here. It just unscrews. Left behind a rubber washer and there we go. New kit has Teflon tape for the seal. The reason I'm throwing what I got away is because it really doesn't matter much. It's not enough to do another project. Well friends, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. That's how easy it is to install a shower head. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like. See ya.
Bye.